Make them obsessively think about you using the power of telepathy. Hi, everyone. Robert Zink, your miracle mentor and alchemy success coach. And today we are soaring high. Like a big, beautiful eagle, we're always flying in the direction of your dreams and goals. High flyers want to remind you to claim your 30 minutes of miracle mentoring and alchemy success coaching. Find out what a mentoring program can mean for your life. It's absolutely free. Visit us at lawofattractionsolutions.com. So when we talk about telepathy, oftentimes people click off. They go, "Oh, I don't believe in that." Okay. But this has to do with vibration. And vibration is the secret to getting someone to think about you in an obsessive way where they can't stop thinking about you. I mean, they're just fired up. They're just on fire, so to speak. And all they want to do is be near you, talk to you, communicate with you, be close to you. If you use this technique I'm about to share with you, they will become totally and completely obsessed with you. This is a very powerful technique. So, word of warning, please use this technique with caution. So, high flyers, when it comes to getting someone obsessed with you, making them want to think about you all the time, remember this important quote. Keep this in the back of your mind from Neville Goddard. We attract what we are, not what we want. Everybody wants something. Everybody has their hands out for something in this world, but that doesn't mean it's coming your way. Wanting something is not attracting. Oh, I got to say that again. Wanting something is not attracting. So the first secret to getting somebody totally obsessed with you is to become totally and completely obsessed with yourself. Now, I didn't say to get on an ego trip. I said to totally and completely become obsessed, to develop a love relationship with you. Now, I'm going to say something that some of you are not going to like to hear this. Your happiness is not dependent on anyone else but you. Your self concept, or how you view yourself from the inside out, your self concept is how others, including your specific person, how they're going to view you. How you view yourself is how the world will see you. The world is a mirror, forever reflecting what you are doing within yourself. Neville Goddard. So, the first thing you need to do is begin to speak highly of yourself, to yourself, even if you don't believe it. Now, I would recommend mirror work. Start with a mirror. Start with 1 minute a day. Build it up to 5 minutes every morning, doing this positive mirror work. I am the one. I am beautiful. I am attractive. I am magnetic. I am intelligent. All the I ams, and you can add a lot more to that. Next, if you have a specific person that you're interested in, that you want to have more interest in you, show more obsession toward you, then it's absolutely important that every time you think of this person, and you've got to train yourself. This isn't something that's just going to happen overnight. Every single time, every time that you think of your specific person, that they come into your mind, this is your cue. This is the moment that you begin to remind yourself of one thing. You focus on yourself and how much you love yourself and your own positive affirmations about yourself. And then you focus on how much they want to be with you too. Look at it. You can't just focus on how much they want to be with you if you don't build yourself up first and make yourself more confident and magnetic. So you do that first, 2 or 3 or 4 or 5 affirmations, and then you focus on how much they want you, how deeply they crave you, obsessed with you, want to be with you. You focus on that, even if you don't believe it. If you say it and you emotionalize it, your subconscious mind will pick it up and it will become a new belief. That's the frequency that you'll be transmitting. Remember, you are mesmerizing, you are enchanting, you are beautiful, you are intelligent, you are the one, you are special, you are exciting. And if you can't remember all that, say this one phrase and mean it. I am the one. You see, what you're doing when you think of them and you immediately stop thinking of them and start thinking about yourself and building yourself up, and then you think about how much they want you and how much they need you, you create literally a vibrational vacuum, and you start literally drawing them to you. And that's very powerful. And they're all, wherever they're at in the world, they're going, oh, wow, I can't stop thinking of her. I can't stop thinking of him. This is crazy. Man, I haven't thought of this person in a long time. Now I'm thinking of them again. That's what happens. But even more important, when they call you, and they will, when they text you, and they will, you now have a new vibration about yourself that says, I'm not dependent on you for my happiness. Like I said earlier, we attract what we are, not what we want. So we need to become the magnet. We need to become the energy, the vibration that attracts what we desire. So if you really want someone to become obsessed with you, as I said earlier, you have to become obsessed with yourself, which means that you're no longer checking their social media, because that's not being obsessed with you. That's being obsessed with them. You're not driving by their house. You're not drunk dialing. You're not texting them and hoping they'll text back and wondering why they're not, or why you're being ghosted. You're not wondering about any of that. In other words, high flyers, you're not waiting around for them. The second thing you need to do is saturate. Your mind is like a sponge. Saturate your mind with positive information. Read positive books. Watch positive movies or documentaries. You know, listen to positive, uplifting videos. Saturate your mind with positive information about who you are and your unlimited potential. One of the resources I can't recommend enough is miraclehypnosisonline.com. Now, you can use this resource for 3 days absolutely free. Miraclehypnosisonline.com. And we do have an app at the App Store. So, you can listen to it on your phone, any place, anytime. Number 3 is talk about your specific person in empowering ways as it relates to you. My specific person can't stay away from me. My specific person loves me and is totally committed to me. My specific person is always, they're always thinking about me. My specific person is spoiling me with affection. My specific person can't stop texting and calling me. Now, even if this is not true in the 3D world at this moment, you're creating a vibrational vacuum that is literally drawing them to you by saying these affirmations about how they feel about you. And number 4, focus on the feeling of the wish fulfilled. What does them reaching out to you, craving you, wanting you, being obsessed with you feel like to you? What does it feel like to them? How happy are you that they are chasing you, wanting you, needing? What does it feel like? What does it feel like to have them calling you, texting you when you least expect it? Now focus on the feeling, that positive feeling of them chasing you, reaching out to you, wanting you, craving you. And the best time to do that is as you fall asleep before bedtime. You see, when you focus on the feeling before bedtime, guess what happens? You are transmitting that vibrational vacuum that's drawing them to you all night long. But you have to do all 4 steps. It's essential. You can't just go to step 4. You have to do all 4 to make this really work. And if you do, you're going to be absolutely shocked at how effective it is. Hey, want to remind you to claim your 30 minutes miracle mentoring, alchemy success coaching. Visit us at lawofattractionsolutions.com. Here's another video to help you on your journey.